The biggest mistake I was making when I started out doing online business is that I looked at dance influencers who had millions of followers, fitness influencers who had millions of followers, and I thought, if they are putting out cheap courses, I need to do the same. So I went on, created a long program, long course. It took me hours and hours and hours to create it. It took me hours and days to record it. But what ended up happening is that I marketed it to everyone. This is training for dancers. All the dancers in the planet should buy my product because it would actually give them results. However, if you market to everyone, no one's gonna listen. And what ended up happening is exactly that. Because I didn't put into account that the influencers that I was looking at had a huge following. I didn't. I still don't, to be honest with you. But what I managed to do is that I managed to make sure that my message is really, really clear. So I train dance-specific training. What is it? Training specifically for dancers. Narrowed it down as much as I possibly could. And then what happened is that my online business really started to take speed. And now I travel the world. I'm living in 5 different countries together with this company. We have employees all over the world. We help thousands of people. And I want to teach you to do exactly the same, because there is a possibility to turn your passion into profit. You just got to understand how to package it and just make sure that you have a really, really good marketing ability, which I know you do if you're watching this, right? So around here somewhere, there should be a link to my Facebook group. If you're not part of it, join there and let's turn your passion into profit, champ. Let's go to work, all right?